Hey everyone! In this Bankera wallet review, I'll share my personal experience. Find product links below. Bankera is a multi-currency wallet perfect for both crypto beginners and experts. It's a simple, secure way to manage your crypto and interact with the broader financial world. Easily handle fiat to crypto transactions with support for Bitcoin, Ethereum, stablecoins, and more. Bankera seamlessly blends traditional finance with crypto. One of its best features is the user-friendly design. Setup was super easy, with options to import existing wallets or create a new one. Beyond basic sending, receiving, and storing, you get an integrated exchange for trading directly within the app. Euro and other fiat currency support is a huge plus for bridging traditional money and crypto. Bankera lets you move between them quickly and securely. Your security is paramount. Bankera uses encryption and biometric authentication to protect your private keys and funds. It's non-custodial, meaning you have full control of your assets. Bankera is designed for anyone who wants a versatile, secure mobile wallet that also handles fiat. It's ideal for simple crypto and fiat management, trading, staking, or just holding. Overall, Bankera offers a great balance of usability, security, and multi-currency support, perfect for managing both digital and traditional currencies in one place. For more details and to download, check the links below.